Hello friends, welcome back to Webronaq. In today's video, we're going to learn about another super useful operator in C programming, the subtract and assign operator, which looks like this, minus equals. It works just like the plus equals we saw earlier, but instead of adding, it subtracts. Let me show you how it works with a simple example. All right, take a look at the code on your screen. This file is called main.c. At the top, we have hashtag include stdio.h, which is the standard library we need to use printf for displaying output. Now look at line 3. We start our main function, and inside it, we declare two variables. On line 4, a is set to 20, and on line 5, b is set to 5. Pretty straightforward. Next, on lines 7 and 8, we use printf to show the initial values of a and b on the screen. This way we can clearly see what the variables hold before we do anything with them. Now here comes the main part. Look at line 11. This is where the magic happens. We have a minus equals b. This is the subtract and assign operator. It's basically a shortcut for writing a equals a minus b. So instead of typing the variable name twice, you just use this short form, and it takes the current value of a, subtracts b from it, and stores the new result back into a. So in this case, a was 20 and b is 5. After a minus equals b, the value of a becomes 15. Then on line 13, we use printf again to print the updated value of a, so we can see the result clearly. And finally, the program ends with return 0. So in simple words, the minus equals operator is just a faster and cleaner way to subtract something from a variable without writing the variable name twice. Really handy when you're working on bigger programs. Now let's run this code and see the actual output on the screen.
All right, here's the output of our program on the screen. Let me quickly walk you through it. First, you can see initial value of a, 20. That's the starting value we gave to a. Right below it, value of b, 5. That's our second variable. Now look at the last line. Value of a after a minus equals b, 15. So what happened here? The program took 20, subtracted 5 from it, and stored the new result back into a. That's exactly how the minus equals operator works. Quick, simple, and clean. And that's it for this video, friends. Now you understand exactly how the subtract and assign operator works in C. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share it with your friends who are learning C, and don't forget to subscribe to Webronaq for more easy coding tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.